Whether you are a creative entrepreneur, a growing startup, or an established company looking to expand your business here in UAE, Shams Free Zone in Sharjah offers you a most affordable and a flexible pathway to making your vision a reality. What makes Shams special? It's fully digital, cost effective, and its unmatched flexibility for businesses across multiple industrial sectors. Combine up to 5 business activity in one license across different business industries. However, activity limits across some free zones they vary. Some free zones are offering extensive combination of multiple activities under one license as well. Visa scalability, no NOC required from your current employer, and you can choose from hundreds of activities. Now, let's break down the 7 steps to get your business up and running. Step 1. Determine your business activity. Shams offer dozens of business activity across 3 main categories: media, wholesale, retail, services, and consultancies. Step 2. Legal structure and license type. Shams offers several options: sole proprietorship, limited liability company, and a branch of a foreign company. Each structure has its own advantages and requirements. Step 3. Choose your license package. Whether you are a freelancer just starting out, a growing startup, or an established corporation, there is a package designed for you. Step 4. Submit your application. Once you have made your selections, it's time to submit your applications. Step 5. Legal requirements and documentation. To ensure full compliance, you will need to prepare your documentation. Step 6. Pay the required fees. Step 7. Start your business operations. Once your application is approved, you are ready to launch. You can easily apply for visas to get your team on board and to ensure that you have the talent to succeed from day one. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. So, if you have any entrepreneur journey of yours, I would love to read it.